Hi all of you, back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and configure Jenkins. From now onwards I am starting Jenkins. As you all know what is Jenkins, it is used to make CI/CD pipeline, as you all know who are learning Devops from me from my channel. So let's configure. So you have to download this Java 11. This is not necessary, but I recommend Java 11 as a JDK, and JRE, which is your Java runtime environment, is your 18.9. so you have to type this. So you have to open Oracle Java. Okay, you have to write Java download Oracle. So when you get on the Java this Oracle website, okay, so now you have to go to Java 11. This is not necessary, but I have also, as you can see, installed Java 11, so that's why I'm saying that. Okay, alright, as you all can see that here, this is your Java 11. You have to go to this window and you have to download this. Okay, how you can download this? Click on this. There you can see a lock. Click on this. It will ask permission. Accept it. Now you have to download it. For that you have to create an account on Oracle. Okay, after making account, it will automatically download. Okay, install that. After installing Java, just go here and open this command prompt. It is also kind of a Linux, okay, because it is also your CLI based command line interface. Just type here Java, Java hyphen version. Okay, alright, so it will show the version of your, it is successfully installed or not. It will show this as well. Now you can see that. Okay, just do this step. This is the first step to install Jenkins. Okay, after now I am showing you the second step. What will be the second step? Now the second step is you have to go here in this PC and you have to go there where you have installed Java. Okay, so where you have installed Java, I think I have installed in my program files. Let me see. Java J, where is J? This, there it is, your J. So you have to copy this path. When you press your left key. So when you click from by your left key, as you all can see, there is a path. So you have to copy this path. Okay, let me copy this. So you have to copy this path and write here environmental variables. Okay, alright, now you have to do one thing. Just click on this new and write here Java underscore home, home. Now you have to paste the path of your JDK, Java development kit. Okay, so I will not do, because there is, as you all can see, there is your path of that, and you have to do here as well. Just click on this, write Java home and paste that path. So after doing both tasks, now it's time to do another task. That is, let me show you. First let me open that folder of Java. Okay, this is the folder of Java. You have to go here in bin folder. Now here you have to go again in environmental variables. So just double click on this path. Okay, this is your path, C program files, common file, Oracle Java. So just double click on that. Now you have to press again new and create. Now paste that path. So you have to copy this path. Okay, copy this path like this, and paste here. Okay, like this. I will not do because I have already done, so that's why I will not do, but you have to do this. Alright, so now your another task is to write here echo. Echo is used to print. echo percent java underscore home, again percent. So now it's time to check the response, that you are getting the right response from the environmental variables you have configured or not. Now as you can see that after pressing enter, I am getting the response, I am getting the right response. So the next task is for you to download Maven. How you can download that, let me show you. Just go back like this, and right here download Maven. Okay, for videos. All right, download Apache Maven JDK 1.7 or above. Okay, really good. So let me tell you all that Maven is used to build Java application. It works with Java applications to build, and Jenkins is built on Java, as you all know. So that's why we have to download Maven as well for building. So now you have to download this one, this link, binary zip. You don't have to download source zip archive, you have to download binary zip archive. So you have to download this one link. Okay, link is here. After downloading link, you have to open, let me see, I think it exists in my download. Let me see. Maven, where is Maven? JDK 17, JDK Apache Maven. As you all can see, here is your Maven. Okay, alright. So it contains your, where is Apache Maven? After extracting that zip file, there is your this one you get this one you get stuff by extracting from that zip file. Alright, so now you have to open environmental variables again like this, and there you can see, let me show you, there you can see Maven home. So you have to create Maven like this, Maven home, and paste the path of which, let me show you, paste that this path. Okay, you have to paste, you have to copy from here and paste here after writing Maven underscore home, and click OK and save this. Now it's time to do another one. So now it's time to go here in bin folder of Maven and copy this path and paste here in system variables. You have to open path, this path again, and here you can see that where is my Apache Maven. As you all can see here, you have to create new and paste the path of this, okay, of bin folder of Apache. After doing this, you have to go to the step 3, which is the last step for now. I think this is the last step. Now it's time to open Git. I think you all have now installed Git, but for now, before that let me write here mvn. Mvn means Maven hyphen version. Let me check the response is getting or not. Maven is not recognized as internal or external command. So my command is wrong. You have to write mvn hyphen version, because in Linux we write hyphen version. It works on this as well, as you can see, but I accidentally write hyphen before mvn. So now it's time to check mvn. Now you can see that the response is getting, I am getting the right response. You have to configure like this. So this is telling the C DevTools. So this is the path of this Maven. Where is my Maven? As you can see, this is my let me see, I think this is my path of Maven. Okay, so it is getting the right path. Now it's time to move on to last step. Now it's time to install Git. You have to install like this. Now download for Windows. You have to click on this and install Git. After installing it, you will get let me close this. After installing it, you will get like icon like this. Open this. Okay, alright, open this and type here git hyphen version. Now you can see that the version. Close this. Again open command prompt, right here git hyphen version. Now you can see that the response is getting. So you don't have to configure environmental variables for this. So I think this much is enough for installing Jenkins. In the next video I'll show you how to install Jenkins, what are the different ways to install Jenkins and create account on Jenkins. So I think this is enough for today. Just do this, and after this you can install Jenkins. I can do this stuff. I can install Jenkins and Java environmental variables on Linux as well, but as you all know, AWS allows you in free tier account only 750 hours for 1 year. So I think that is really less hours, so you have to save hours. I think 750 hours is very less if a person do regular practice on Linux. So that's why I'm not doing on Linux, I'm not doing on EC2 instance. So by avoiding that, you can save a lot of hours and you can do a practice of Docker, Kubernetes and stuff like that. So I think this is about for today, and yeah, that's about for today. And just configure this all environmental variables, and I will be meet you in my next video.